Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. This is Waikiki shopping area. In Royal Hawaiian Center, there is a kids event. It's a once a year event for kids. Sign up for free. You can play lots of games and win a prize. There are small juice bars as well. There's a cane juice you can try. Also, there's shaved ice. And don't forget to check Moana Surfrider Hotel. They have lots of options for the dining. It's a little bit pricey, but you can try to visit and see and look around. It's like right in front of beach. The view should be really good. They have gallery as well. Love these surfboards. If you are tired of walking, you can try bicycle or scooter. This Dylan's Candy Bar is right in front of Waikiki Beach. So when you are walking around the Waikiki area, you can stop by. Try Waikiki trolley as well. Just by walking around Waikiki Beach area, it's so refreshing. There's a Paradise Cove in southwest of Oahu. In here, you can watch a Luau show, which is Polynesian traditional dance. This is one of Luau show plays, but there are so many, so you can choose. There's a welcome drink. There are beachfront side. I heard some people have wedding here. But mostly people have dinner here, watching show. You can take picture with the parrot.
Once you have 6, just let me know. I'll finish it off for you, okay?
Oh my god. Single or marry a flower pot to your left side, okay?
Flower on your left ear means taken. Right ear is single, in the middle is undecided.
Oh my god, so pretty.
Love this bracelet. When you watch the show, you can have a dinner. It's a buffet. Now, enjoy the show. So now I'm in bad situation. Do you see the car? So cars parked well, and then I came to the beach, but then I lost key in the ocean. So I'm waiting for AAA. Now I have to wait for like over an hour to get towed. The car should be towed. I have to go to Honolulu airport. By the way, this chicken is like right here. What do you want, chicken? This car will be towed away. I cannot use this car because I don't have car key. And I will go to the Honolulu airport to get another car. So it's a crazy situation. I'm stuck in here. Ooh. Let me see. What? They're following me everywhere. So this Sunset Beach in north side, I think northeast side. This beach is famous for watching sunset. So hopefully while waiting for AAA, I can see sunset at least. These wild chickens are everywhere. By the way, the beach itself was beautiful, but the wave was so strong, so it was not easy to get in the water. That's why I lost my key inside the water. In Hawaii, any beach, you never know every day how the wave gonna be, so you need to check in advance before you go to the beach. Finally, I could see the sunset. It was beautiful. Enjoy the sunset. Three hours later, since it was out of nowhere and Sunday, it took 20 minutes to get an Uber. But finally, I could get another car and went back to hotel and have a dinner. This Italian restaurant is in first floor of Waikiki Beach Marriott. It's really nice. Highly recommend. You know, it was a long day, so I had to drink something more from Hawaii. There are so many Hawaiian beers. Which one will be good? I chose this one. Time to drink.
Hi
Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing. I got something from HERMES Waikiki branch. I'm gonna talk about two different branch, how it works. Also I'm gonna talk about this Chanel sandal. I got this Chanel sandal from the Moana Center in Oahu, Hawaii. I thought it's gonna be really comfortable, so I was so happy to open right away. And one full day I was wearing this, then I realized it's very comfortable, this part, but this side is not comfortable. Because I have big feet and a high profile feet, so it's up to the what kind of feet you have. It's gonna be different, but like here it was not high enough for me, so when I wear this part is really hurting inside this part. So I got band-aid on my foot. I have two skin hole here and here. It's really painful. So when I try it on, this part, you see, this part is really painful here. So I think it's better to wear like socks for like few days. When you start to wear, first day, second day, try to wear like socks so that you don't have this kind of skin hole. I got really injured literally by wearing this shoe. I had to walk around everywhere, you know, Hawaii. Highly recommend wearing socks for a few days, and then maybe when it's loose, expands, you can wear by yourself. Till then, try to wear with the socks. So let me do unboxing of this box. Ta-da! This is HERMES Chipre. HERMES Chipre wool sandal. You know, I had a black one. This one is more neutral color and like skin tone. This beigeish color name is Bois de Zantar. It's a sandalwood color. It's gonna go well with any outfit. And it's so comfortable and sturdy. By the way, I got size 38, my usual size. You better buy half size up or buy your size. It comes up snuffy. So let me try it on. So comfortable because even inside here, you can see made of wool. Also, it's adjustable like this, so I can make it a little bit bigger like this. So this is size 8. Size 8 fits perfectly well. I love it because it's made of wool, even the strap side, so it's like so comfortable here. And the color is very neutral, like skin tone, so you can wear with any outfit. Oh my god, I love it. What do you think? So the price, if you watch my previous video, I did unboxing of this Chanel sandal. It was before tax 1,400, perfect for summer. This one is cheaper than this. This one was 950 before tax. If I choose one style, I like Chanel for summer. Ivory color, so pretty for summer, but this one is so comfortable. I'm gonna wear this to airport today. When I check out and then leave to Honolulu airport, I'm gonna wear this in flight for sure. I can sleep with this. So comfortable. Yeah, it's cheaper but like comfortable, but not for like summer. I would choose this for now, but I love this style as well. What do you think? Which one is your choice? So if I talk about two different brands, HERMES and Chanel, both have two brands in Oahu, one in Waikiki and one in Moana Center. Both are in Oahu. In case of HERMES, the Waikiki one had the third floor, much bigger. They might have more items, more options available. Try to go Waikiki first. If you have time, Moana Center as well. But Moana Center was smaller than Waikiki branch. In case of Chanel, so many basic Chanel classic bags, like black, beige. So if you want to get basic Chanel classic item, like flat bag, yeah, you need to go to Waikiki. I couldn't go to the Moana Center for the bag section. Moana Center has two Chanel boutique right next to each other. One is usual just bag everything, and the other one is just for shoe. But I went to shoe store only. They had a lot of options for the shoe as well. When I visit Waikiki Chanel, they are so kind. Even though I didn't buy anything from there, I think there are many tourists, so they are open-minded. So you can try Waikiki first, and if you want more items, you can try to visit Moana Center as well. But try Waikiki first for both Chanel and HERMES. How's my video today? Hopefully it was helpful, and if you have chance to come to Hawaii, shopping is like next. So enjoy your trip. Bye. See you.